Hiya. It's midday here in Normandy, and the bells are chiming to announce that, basically saying, "Come on, heathens, time to go to church." Anyway, it's an overcast day in October, and time to record another poem. And this one is because I was thinking about the difference between adult boys and men. And that difference always seems to me to be simply about the ability to listen, hear, and understand. So many men seem to think that it's all about jumping up and down and making the most noise, when really that's for boys. So, boys and noise. Boys and noise belong together, growing in volume to become thoughtful men in later life. No voice silent, prepared to mind speak, but mostly listening, sorting wheat and chaff, hearing the words of girls and women, hearing the meaning behind the words, that difficult interpretation. For they may speak a different language which involves reading minds and words unspoken but tongue-tipped as if included in their speech. Boys simply not equipped need help to grow into hearing men. Be patient guiders. Hearing words unspoken is an art. Like an impressionist picture, that not included is part of the picture, not evident to many noisy boys. Be patient with us, ladies. Men need a little bit of extra help to become men. And being a boy is so much easier and so much less important. Anyway, that's it for today. Day's still overcast. And I'm not going cycling, I don't think. But anyway, have a good day. If you can, get out on your bike and have fun. Okay, take care. Bye.